My name is Ron Zygarlicke. I'm a product manager at H&S Manufacturing, and so with new products comes development of new things, such as the two new products that you see here today. Today we've got number one, the grinder mixer. So we've had a grinder mixer since it's been 2007, and I'm going to speak for kind of both of these. In general, we listen to the customer out there. We talk to them and get them in for meetings, and we just want to know what they're thinking about our products, what they'd like to see different. And we also talk to customers that have competitive products also. And what do they like about those? And is it something that we can adapt to our products to make our products better? So, we take everything into consideration, and it takes, it's not just an overnight thing. It takes years to make a lot of the changes. So with the grinder mixer, we've actually have a sister product to it. We have a roller mixer. We've never had a roller mixer, and the market is there. The call has been there for a roller mixer. So I don't have that down here at the show today. We're limited on space, and we've just brought a little bit of everything. But it's you can find it on our website. You'll see it. So some of the things that we looked at was, when we look at any product, we look at what are we seeing as far as the warranty situations that we have on something. So that's where we target. So if there's what we call a hot spot, we'll look at that and say, why is this happening? So with that being said, on there's some of the things that in the drive system, as an example, that was one of the things we had to do some changing on just because of the way the power was run through it. I'm not going to go into detail of it, but the drive system was a big change for us. The other thing that, again, customers asked for is we had a side supplement hopper, but they wanted the addition of a rear supplement hopper. So it's an option that's out there. As far as just some of the other things were little things like unload time. I shouldn't say little things, but that was a big thing. The old grinder mixer was like 10-minute unload time. And for most guys, you think, no, that's not bad. 6,000 pounds, 3 tons, 10 minutes. They wanted to see it in like 5-6 minutes. Okay. And we accomplished that. Again, the hydraulic system, part of the whole drive and everything like that. So we're very pleased so far with what we've got here with the new grinder. Ideally, kind of runs neck and neck. Hog farmers are big for the grinder. The cattleman out there, he wants, he has the what do you want to call this, corn stuff or the feeds, whatever you want to say, where they're just feeding solid corn to those steers, and all they want to do is just kind of get it cracked up and get it into the stuffer. And so those are two biggest things. But again, dairy is there also. I mean, there's a fair number of dairymen. And the reason that we find out too, you look at this and think, that's kind of thing of the past. I grew up on a dairy farm back in central Wisconsin, and that's what I thought too, was when I started out back in 2007 looking at this, and it's like, this seems like it's going bye-bye, so to speak, okay? But the more I got out, the more I talked to people, and that's the big thing. Talk to the customers out there, and I found out that number one, some of these guys, the cost that it takes to take it to the mill, have it ground and everything like that. And number three, as far as getting their own feed back. There's some mills that, maybe your neighbor had his feed in before and ground, and maybe there's some left in there or whatever, because they go by weight when they grind. What did you bring in? That's what you're going to get back out. So with that being said, a lot of guys, into today's world out there, a lot of guys want their own product back. So that's why we're seeing some of the guys go back to the grinder and the roller mixer.